This is Mr. Green and Red, and in today's morning market mindset on the S&P 500, we're taking a look at the overall situation at hand. And as you can see right now, I have this labeled as a range in the midpoint. And for right now, we've actually just been using this as a pretty good staple rotation. So from this distance below is what we ended up getting above, okay? So from this perspective, we are expecting this thing to go the distance above, which will now be below, all right? Now, the only caveat is that we've actually pushed down quite considerably already. So the only other way I can really justify us trying to short this is if we kind of scale back here a bit. If we look at it in terms of, the bigger perspective here, you can see we have this giant move going to the upside, okay? Now, typically in this fashion, which you can see this thing going up so high, it's very much so safe to assume that we're looking for some sort of like twin variation up top as we look to rotate back to the downside, okay? So from this perspective, what we could be looking for is an entry underneath this low, or if we go up a little bit higher, we can look for a GNR pattern as we rotate back down, okay? So in both of those circumstances, we would be looking to try to capture this prior low here. And if we also kind of combine that with the fact that we have this swing that we've been talking about since the beginning, it's going to be roughly the distance above is the distance below, and that will put us somewhere right around there as well. So for right now, I am looking for ways to short this thing until we can at least get down to let's just say 7,000. And if I'm incorrect about this, then you'll notice that the market will basically break out going extremely higher. It has to go higher than this prior high, because even if we go up to this high, we could still end up shorting ourselves back to the downside, okay? So for us to be extremely bullish on this, we want to see this thing break out of this prior high, continue with strength, and then you can ultimately look for a pullback and continuation going higher, okay? Those are the most important ideas for today, and they should all get you paid. So thanks for watching. See you in the next candle.